y'all, it's your girl Skyla, and we are using the Luster Short Look Texturizer. Now, I have a love-hate relationship with my natural hair. Y'all see this on top of my head? I couldn't take it anymore. My hair is too thick and it just sits on my scalp, and I was very irritated. So I applied some grease, Vaseline around my edges and the perimeter of my hair, and I am just applying the texturizer all over my hair as I would a perm. So once I applied the texturizer all over my hair, I am going to start combing it through as if it was like a perm, so I know I could get every single strand of my hair. Now, one thing about my hair, because I was natural and the last time I had did any type of chemical treatment, as I'm gonna call it, to my hair, I believe it was January, and now we're all the way in March. So I was gonna let it sit on my hair for 20 minutes, but I didn't have to, so I washed it out at the 15-minute mark. It's all washed and conditioned and stuff a little bit, but I'm going to let the conditioner sit on my hair for 10 minutes under a plastic wrap. Now, when I was doing this, I was like, oh, it's kind of straight. I wasn't sure if my curls was gonna come back, but as you can see, once I put the conditioner on my hair, my curls came back, and I'm just letting it sit on my hair for 10 minutes under this plastic wrap and everything else while I was scrolling on Instagram, child. So the hair mask is out, and this is how my hair looks. And now I'm going to take the leave-in conditioner and spray that onto my hair and rub that all in. And one thing I like about this Cream of Nature Pure Honey line is, one, it smells good, and honey is also good for your hair because I have dry hair and I need all the moisturization that I can get. So yeah, I use this whole entire line for my hair. I'm also going to use the Cream of Nature Curl Mousse, and this is when I see my curls come back once I applied this. Now, my hair isn't that long, so my curls isn't like popping, but yeah, I'm gonna keep this up. So for those of you that are natural, I take my hat off to you, but your girl cannot do it. I just can't. I ain't got it in me. So I'm using the curl activator to activate my curls a little bit more, and I'm just patting that on my hair, and then I'm going to massage it in because I think I put too much. So I'm using the Eco Styler Gel, and this is for curls and waves. If y'all didn't know, they have a pink one. for curls and waves. So I just rubbed that on my hair, and then I took my blow dryer and blow dried it because I didn't want it to air dry. I tried to minimize the frizz as much as possible, because that's one thing about my hair. Once it dries, when it's in this curly state, it dries in like a frizzy way. So I know once it gets a little bit longer, I'm gonna have to take a comb and really define my curls, or finger curl it and stuff like that, so the curls could stay and be popping. So that's it for this video. Just fixing it and everything. I went in the bathroom and used some black gel and swooped my edges out, and that's pretty much it. I am now a texturized girl. I don't think I will ever like really perm my hair, because I got the look that I want. I really like this wet jerry curl juicy look, but I don't know how to achieve that yet, so I'm gonna work on it. But yeah, this is my texturized hair now, and I'm not going back to being natural ever. I can't take it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.